Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw on crypto.com with ACH and routing numbers, full guide step by step clearly. To begin withdrawing from crypto.com using ACH and routing numbers, first, open the crypto.com app on your device. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section on the home screen. Select Fiat Wallet from the list of available accounts. In the Fiat Wallet, tap on the Withdraw option to initiate the withdrawal process. Choose bank transfer as your withdrawal method. Next, you will need to input your bank details. Locate your bank's ACH routing number and your account number. Enter the routing number in the designated field. Then, input your bank account number in the account number field. Verify that all details entered are accurate to avoid any issues. Once you have confirmed that your information is correct, proceed by selecting the amount you wish to withdraw. Keep in mind that some minimum withdrawal limits may apply. Review your withdrawal request to ensure everything is in order before submitting. After confirming, tap on the Withdraw button to finalize the process. The app will show a confirmation message upon successful submission. You may receive an email confirming your withdrawal request shortly after. Allow some time for the transaction to process, as bank transfers may take a few business days to complete. Check your bank account to monitor for the arrival of your funds. In case of any issues, consult the help section of the Crypto.com app or contact customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.